Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add and edit sheets in Google Sheets. So let's start. The first open your Google Sheet. At the bottom you can see the sheet tabs, and to add the new sheet simply click on the plus icon the left hand side, the add sheet. Okay, and here you can see the sheet number 2 is added. And the second way, go to the insert tab and click on the sheet option to add the new sheet, and here the sheet number 3 is added. You can use here the shortcut key shift plus F11 to add the new sheet, and here you can see the sheet number 4 is added. Okay, so next, to rename the sheet, to rename sheet simply double click on the sheet name. So here I simply double click on the sheet number 1, and I just enter the name, type the name and press the enter key, and that's it. So this is a way you can rename sheet here. Okay, then change the sheet color. To change sheet color, simply right click on the mouse on the sheet name and click on the change color and select here the color. Next, move a sheet. Click and hold the sheet tab and drag it left right to change its position. So just hold and drag and left and right to change the position of the ABC sheet. Okay. To delete the sheet, simply right click on the mouse on the sheet and click on the delete your sheet. Here you can see the one dialog box is open. To delete the sheet, just click on OK to delete your sheet. Okay. Then to copy or duplicate a sheet, simply right click on the sheet and click on the duplicate your sheet. And here you can see the copy of ABC. Here the create the same data here showing. Okay, and to copy the sheet, simply right click on the sheet and click on the copy to. Here two options showing new spreadsheet and existing spreadsheet. So here I select the new spreadsheet, and here the copying sheets. Click on the open to open the new spreadsheet with the same data. Here you can see. Okay. So that's it. This is the way you can edit, add in Google Sheet. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.